Do you feel maths is difficult? Do you get stuck in between calculations? Why do you have this phobia of mathematics in your mind? Is this because of complex equations or lengthy algorithms? Now quickly tell me in the comments how many of you feel that maths is difficult. Then what might be the reason for this phobia? Come on, let's get to know. To start with, there is a misconception in Indian schooling system saying maths is only about practicing and not about reading. You might have heard if someone says, I am reading mathematics. Hey, what can you read in mathematics? It's only about working out problems. Now, this is a clear misconception. This may anyway work for basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but definitely not going to work for higher understanding of mathematics such as for class 9th and 10th. It's all about understanding. Instead of by hurting the steps, if you start learning and understanding each and every step in mathematics, you need not do it twice or thrice. So the first step to learn mathematics is understand it properly. If you have done this, you are already 30% prepared to learn maths. Then sir, do you mean we need not practice maths, only understanding is enough? I won't say that. Here comes the second step, that is practice. But how to practice? It's not like doing 5 or 6 times whatever your teachers teach us in the class. In the initial stage, you can practice questions by changing different numbers so that you get used to the algorithms of a particular formula or concept. And later you can practice different types of questions based on that particular concept so that you get mastery in that concept. You will get lots of resources and sample papers online. Even I'll help you to get good questions and important questions based on class 9th and 10th mathematics in this channel. So subscribe the channel and keep in touch for learning mathematics better. To continue, the CBSE controller of the board himself has said that the goal of CBSE is to make new questions. Yes, the goal of CBSE is to make new questions every year. So no matter how much ever questions you practice, you will definitely face one or the other new question in your board exam for sure. So your goal must not be to learn the questions, but to learn the ability to tackle any kind of questions you face in the future. If you are ready to do this, you are 60% ready to learn maths. Finally, the most important requirement is interest. Never feel anything as a burden. They say, start loving your profession and you are a master of it. Apply this principle in your life. You are professionally a student, so start loving your subjects instead of feeling they are difficult, and you are done with it. All the practice and motivation is of no use if you are not showing any interest. So instead of the external motivation you get from parents and teachers, the most important aspect is the internal motivation which grows inside you to get 100 out of 100 in mathematics. So Matthew stays with you to build your strength and strengthen your confidence to learn mathematics. So if you have done this, you are 90% ready to learn mathematics. Then what about the remaining 10%? I will tell you the rest 10% secret in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and wait for the next video to learn mathematics along with Matthew.